Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use and enable the conversation view for email conversations and message conversations on Gmail in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, if you'd like to use the conversation view on Gmail in the web version, for example on Google Chrome, you will need to enable it first. Once you've enabled it, guys, you will see these conversations looking like that. For example, you will see the sender and also that small number to the right indicating that the given conversation features or contains multiple messages within the conversation. So to enable that, you will need to access your inbox settings. To do that, click into that gear icon in the top right, and after that select See All Settings, and inside your settings here navigate to the General tab and scroll down till you find the conversation view here and make sure that it is enabled. If it isn't, guys, simply turn it on here. Next, navigate back to your conversation and access it, and you will see, for example, these conversations here, or that conversation with the message sent, for example, a minute ago or a few days ago, depending on the sending date, the sender here to the left, and the content of the message by simply clicking into it. And that's how you can follow that conversation to the past, to the oldest, or to the oldest message of the conversation, guys. And you can continue the conversation by replying to it, for example, to the most recent one. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.